everyone. This is Alpha Somani, and we are on chapter number 3, The Little Girl. So, what have you learned till now about this chapter? This chapter is about a little girl named Kezia, and the relationship between this little girl and her father. Okay, so what is the problem between the little girl and her father? This little girl, Kezia, is so much afraid of her father that she stutters in front of him. Okay, this girl is afraid of her father. There is a communication gap between those two. The girl is never able to talk to her father properly. For this little girl, her father is someone who is to be afraid of and who is to be avoided. So she wants to be afraid of her father and she wants to avoid her father. Whenever her father asks for something, she's so much afraid that she wants to avoid this situation. So there is a mother in the house, there is father in the house, there is this little girl Kezia in the house, and there is this grandmother in the house. Okay, so what happens in this chapter up till now is that father comes to her and gives her a morning kiss when he leaves to work. Okay, but this girl Kezia is so much afraid of her father that she's happy that her father has gone for work. Okay, she's so much relieved that her father has gone for work. When the father comes back from office, she is afraid to talk to him and she's staring at him all the time. According to Kezia, her father is a giant. He's a huge person. He has huge hands. Okay, so she is afraid of him physically as well as mentally. वो उसके अपने फादर से इतनी बात ही नहीं होती है कि बस वो उनको देख के ही डरती रहती है पूरा टाइम डरती रहती है. Okay, so in the beginning of the chapter, what do we observe? We observe that this girl is has an attitude of fear towards her father. And now the chapter will proceed, and now we will learn how this attitude of girl is changing towards her father. In the beginning of the chapter, she is afraid of her father. She has an attitude of fear towards her father. But now let's see what happens and how does this attitude change towards her father. Up till now, this there we had completed the chapter. This section was complete, and this section was also complete, right? Happens on Sundays, and what happens on Sundays in this house? That mother and father both are at home. So when grandmother asks Kezia to talk to her parents nicely, but Kezia is not able to talk to her parents. उसके पेरेंट्स से बात करना ही नहीं आता है. वो डरती है उसके पापा के सामने, उसके फादर के सामने वो हकलाती है. She doesn't stutter in front of everyone, but she stutters in front of her father. किसी के सामने नहीं हकलाती है केजिया, बट उसके पापा के सामने, उसके फादर के सामने हकलाती है because she is so much afraid of her father. Okay, so I had given you this assignment. These two questions were given you in the assignment. So let's solve these questions and then we will proceed towards the chapter. Question number 1. Why do you think Kezia stutters while talking to her father? आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि केजिया क्यों हकलाती है उसके पापा से बात करते वक्त? Why? You know the answer, right? She stutters while talking to her father because she is afraid of her father. उसको उसके पापा से डर लगता है इसलिए वो उनके सामने हकलाती है. Find instances which show that Kezia was afraid of her father. आपको अब तक ऐसा कहाँ कहाँ पे लगा ये देख के कि केजिया को उसके पापा से डर लगता है? ऐसा कौन से एग्जाम्पल से आपको लगा? So one is she stutters in front of father. That shows that she is afraid of her father. Another one is when she's asked to talk to her father and mother, she's just sitting blankly and she's not able to talk to them. She's just staring at them like an owl. वो उसके मम्मी पापा को सिर्फ घूर रही है और उनसे उससे बात ही नहीं की जा रही है. That shows that she is afraid of her father. Also, when her father leaves for work, जब उसके पापा चले जाते हैं काम पे, she is so much relieved. वो बहुत उसको खुशी होती है कि चले गए, थैंक गॉड. So that also shows that she is afraid of her father. Another incident, when she is asked to remove the boots of her father. जब उसको कहा गया कि अपने पापा के शूज उतारो, but she comes down the stairs unwillingly. वो बिना मन के बिल्कुल आती है, क्योंकि उसको नहीं, उसको होता है कि उसके फादर से डर लगता है, तो वो उनको अवॉइड करना चाहती है हमेशा, कि इनसे बात ही ना करनी पड़े, उसको ऐसा फील होता है. So that is also an incident which shows that Kezia was afraid of her father. You can also find another instances, another incidents, if you can find any, and you submit this assignment to me on Scholars ERP. You people, only some of you are there who are submitting their assignments, and many of you are still are not submitting. So I request all of you to submit your assignments on Scholars ERP, and that will be beneficial for you as well. So let's start with the chapter. Okay, now what happens? The father's birthday is approaching. Okay, उसके father का birthday आ रहा है. So grandmother suggests Kezia that you make a birthday gift for your father. अपने हाथों से अपने father के लिए birthday gift बनाओ. And what birthday gift does she suggest? She suggests her to make a cushion on on her hands. खुद से एक cushion बनाने को suggest करती है उसकी grandmother. Okay, so now what happens? Laboriously, with a double cotton, the little girl stitched three sides. Okay, so now the little girl, Kezia, she decides to make a gift for her father. कि अपने father के लिए gift बनाऊंगी. So laboriously. Laboriously means what? बहुत मेहनत से. बहुत बहुत मेहनत से उसने क्या किया, एक डबल कॉटन को, एक कपड़े को उसने थ्री साइड्स सिल दिए. ओके, थ्री साइड सिल दिए, बट नाउ एक साइड खुला रखा है, क्योंकि उसके अंदर वो स्टफ भरेगी, तभी तो कुशन बनेगा, तभी तो पिलो बनेगा. तो उसने तीन साइड तो सिल दिए कॉटन के, और एक साइड खाली है. व्हाट टू फिल इट विथ, लेकिन अब उसमें भरे क्या वो, उसने बाहर का कवरिंग बना लिया कुशन का, but she doesn't know what to fill in that cushion, what to fill in that covering. That was the question. So that was the question, that what to fill in the cushion. The grandmother was out in the garden. So grandmother was outside there in the garden, and Kezia with the cushion in the house. And she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. So now she was looking for something, scraps. Scraps mean कुछ कचरा फचरा जिसको वो भर सके अपने cushion के अंदर. So grandmother was out in the garden, and now Kezia was looking for scraps which she could fill in the cushion. So when she was looking for scraps, she went into her mother's bedroom. Oh, on the bed, sorry, it's on the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper. Okay, so on the table, what did she see? What did she discover? She discovered many sheets of paper, that there were so many sheets of paper on the table. Gathered them up, she gathered those papers and she tore them into tiny pieces. So she saw sheets of paper on the table. So she gathered that up, उसने उसको pick किया, and she tore it into pieces, छोटे छोटे pieces में उसको काट दिया, and stuffed her case, and she stuffed it into her cushion. ठीक है, उस पन्नों को फाड़ के, and she stuffed it into the cushion. Then sewed up the fourth side. Okay, cushion में भरा, and she उसको फिर उसने सिल दिया, बाकी जो fourth side था उसका. So now her cushion is complete now. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Okay, so now what happens that night? That night there is a hue and cry in the house. Hue and cry means what? बहुत शोरगुल हो रखा था घर के अंदर. अब घर में बहुत रोना धोना हो रखा था, बहुत शोरगुल हो रखा था, and Casey was not understanding what has happened. Can you guess what has happened? Let's see what has happened. Father's great speech for the Port Authority had been lost. Okay, so जो उसके father की बहुत speech थी, बहुत important speech थी Port Authority के लिए, it was not there, it was missing. Okay, her father's speech was missing. Rooms were searched, servants questioned, so her rooms were, all the rooms in the house were searched, and the servants were there. They were questioned that कहाँ रखी है, किसी ने देखी है क्या, that speech. किसी ने देखी है क्या? Finally, mother came into Kezia's room, and then mother came into Kezia's room. Do you think where that speech has gone? Can you just guess where that speech has gone? कहाँ गई होगी वो speech? Just guess. Finally, mother came into Kezia's room. So mother came to Kezia and she asked her, Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some papers on a table in our room. So Kezia asked mother, I suppose you didn't see some papers on a table in our room. मेरे ख्याल से तुमने हमारे रूम के अंदर नहीं गई होंगी और मेरे ख्याल से हमारे यहाँ जो टेबल पड़े थे क्या तुमने देखे हैं? Oh yes, she said. So who replies? Kezia replies, yes, हाँ मैंने देखे हैं. I tore them up for my surprise. I tore those pages for my surprise. So now what happens? Kezia has torn all the pages which were important pages, and they were the speech of his father, a very important speech of her father. And Kezia has torn all the pages and she has stuffed it into the cushion, and she has stuffed all that scrap into the cushion. What? Screamed mother. Scream means चिल्लाना. तो mother चिल्लाई क्या? Come straight down to the dining room this instant. अभी के अभी dining room में आओ. So now the mother is angry and Kezia is not understanding. Mother is angry. Why mother is angry? And she was dragged down to where father was, pacing to and fro, hands behind his back. And what was father doing in the room? Kezia was brought down in the living room. And in the living room, what was father doing? He was pacing to and fro. वो आगे पीछे घूम रहे थे. जब आपको कोई चीज नहीं मिल रही होती है तो आप बहुत नर्वस हो जाते हो, बहुत एंक्शियस हो जाते हो. And you are running here and there. So father was also running here and there and his hands behind his back. अपने पापा कैसे चलते हैं, हाथ पीछे करके और इधर उधर घूम रहे थे वो. He was looking for his speech. He was so much worried about his speech. Well, he said sharply. Now father says sharply. Well, mother explained. Mother explained that Kezia has torn the speech and she has stuffed the speech into a cushion. He stopped and stared at the child. So now father stopped and he stared at the child. Stare means घूरना. So now the father started staring at Kezia. Did you do that? The father asked her again. क्या तुमने ऐसा किया? Did you do that? No, 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 she whispered. She says very silently. Kezia says very silently. No, मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया. Mother, go up to her room and fetch down the damn thing. See that the child's put to bed this instant. So now father orders her mother, as in Kezia's grandmother, to look into her room, to look into Kezia's room and fetch down the thing, which fetch down the scraps, which fetch down the pieces of paper which Kezia has torn down, to fetch down the speech जो कि Kezia के रूम में फटी हुई पड़ी होगी. You go and bring that down and put Kezia to bed. और Kezia को अभी के अभी सोने भेजो. Father is so much angry with Kezia. Why? Because she has torn her speech, right? That is an important piece of paper. Father की मेहनत लगी है उसके अंदर. So he is so much angry with Kezia now. Now Kezia's father is so much angry from her. Why is he so angry from Kezia? Because she has torn down his very important speech and she has filled those scraps into the cushion. So Kezia's father is very much angry because he has lost his very important speech and his own daughter Kezia is the reason for it. Okay, so now Kezia's father, he orders his mother, as in Kezia's grandmother, to take Kezia to bedroom and make her sleep because he is so much angry कि अभी मुझे कुछ भी डिस्कस नहीं करना है. केजिया को अभी के अभी सोने लेके जाओ. So Kezia's father is so much angry on her. So she's a little girl. She starts crying. Okay, she starts crying because her father has scolded her. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. So now Kezia is crying so much. Why is she crying so much? Because her father has scolded her. उसके पापा ने उसको डांटा है तो इसलिए वो बहुत ज्यादा रो रही है. वो बहुत रो रही थी and she was lying in a shadowed room, in a dark room शी इज लेइंग, बहुत वहां पे सोई हुई है, लेटी हुई है, एंड शी इज वॉचिंग द इवनिंग लाइट मेक अ सैड लिटिल पैटर्न ऑन द फ्लोर, और खिड़की से आने वाली और रोशनी से जो भी वहां पे शैडो पड़ रही है, शी इज लुकिंग एट दैट, शी इज लुकिंग एट द पैटर्न, द शैडो विच इज ऑन द फ्लोर. Then father came into the room with a ruler in his hands. So now Kezia's father, he comes into Kezia's room with a ruler in his hand. Ruler means scale. एक scale लेके आए अपने हाथ में. So scale किसके लिए लाए होंगे? Just imagine. Kezia को नापने के लिए तो लाए नहीं होंगे. It is for beating Kezia. Because Kezia has committed a mistake, he has got this ruler in his hands to beat her. I am going to beat you for this, he said. Who says? The father says, I am going to beat you for this. As you have committed a mistake, I am going to beat you for this. Oh, no, no, she screamed. Now Kezia screams, no, 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 don't beat me, please don't beat me. Hiding under bedclothes. So Kezia hides under the bedclothes. Bedsheet के अंदर छुप जाती कि नहीं 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 मुझे मत मारो. He pulled them aside, so he removes the bedsheet. Sit up, he asked Kezia to sit up. To sit down, he ordered, and hold out your hands. अपने हाथ निकालो and hold out your hands. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. So now, why does Kezia's father beat her? Because he wanted her to teach this lesson that what does not belong to you, you should not touch. कि जो तुम्हारी चीज नहीं है उसको हाथ नहीं लगाना है. And that's why I'm going to beat you so that you remember this thing that you should not touch what does not belong to you. जो तुम्हारा नहीं है उसे टच नहीं करना है. I want you to teach this lesson and that's why I am going to beat you. But it was for your birthday. Now Kezia starts stuttering again. Kezia फिर से हकलाना चालू हो जाती है because she is afraid of her father. लेकिन ये मैंने आपके बर्थडे के लिए बनाया था. Now Kezia says. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. So उसने अपने हाथ निकाले हुए हैं और उसके एक स्केल पड़ती है, the ruler. Okay. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Palms means हथेली. उसके छोटे से पिंक कलर के हथेली पे रूलर पड़ता है. In a, hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. So now, when father beats her with the scale, with the ruler, now Kezia is crying again. So her grandmother wraps her in a shawl. उसको एक shawl उड़ाती है उसकी दादी, and she hugs her, and they both are sitting in a chair. And Kezia is clung to her soft body. Kezia उसकी grandmother की body को, दादी की को अच्छे से उसने पकड़ रखा है, उनको hug करके रखा है, and they are both are sitting in a chair, और वो दोनों chair में बैठे हैं. What did God make fathers for? So now this little girl is so much angry with her father that she is so much angry that वो भगवान से पूछ रही कि भगवान ने फादर्स को बनाया ही क्यों, भगवान ने पापा को बनाया ही क्यों, हमेशा मुझ पे गुस्सा होते हैं, मुझे डांटते हैं, और हमेशा मुझे इतने बड़े से हैं, जाइंट से हैं, तो फादर जब मुझे तो कुछ भी अच्छे नहीं लगते तो बनाया ही क्यों फादर ने. सो केजिया इज अ लिटिल किड. She is so much afraid and she so much angry with her father because her father has beaten her. So now she is so much angry that she is asking भगवान आपने fathers बनाए ही क्यों, आपको father बनाते नहीं तो आज मेरी पिटाई भी नहीं होती. तो she is so much angry with father. So ऐसा आपके साथ भी होता होगा कि अब मम्मी यार मुझे पूरे दिन भर डांटती क्यों रहती है, पापा मुझे पूरे दिन भर डांटते क्यों रहते हैं. So that is because they want to teach you a lesson. That is because they care for you. They want you not to commit mistakes. वो चाहते हैं कि आप कोई mistake ना करो बाद में, तो इसलिए वो आपको सिखाना चाहते हैं. And that's why अगर वो आपको डांटते हैं या थोड़ा सा मारते हैं, so there's no harm in that. वो आपके अच्छे के लिए ही कर रहे हैं. They are doing this all for your good only, for your benefit and for your welfare. They are doing this. Your parents are doing this, your parents are scolding you or beating you for your benefit only because they want you not to commit any mistakes in future. वो चाहते हैं कि आप future में कोई mistake ना करो, कोई गलती ना करो, इसलिए वो ऐसा बिहेव करते हैं। गुस्सा आता है ना कभी कभी, यार मम्मी क्यों मारती है, यार पापा क्यों मारते हैं बार बार, सो दैट इज द रीजन। ओके, why did God makes father for? She sobbed. Sobbed means धीरे धीरे से सुबक सुबक के रोना. So Kezia is still crying that भगवान ने पापा को बनाया ही क्यों? So she is angry with her father. So that's why she is saying that. Here's a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose. So now grandmother says, ये लो बेटा रुमाल, and तुम इतना ज्यादा रो रही हो, so blow your nose, नाक साफ करो. Go to sleep, pet. You will forget all about it in the morning. So just sleep and you will forget about all this in the morning. जब आराम से सो जाओ अभी, when you will wake up in the morning, you will not remember any of it. तब तुम्हें ये सब कुछ याद नहीं रहेगा, तब तुम अच्छे मूड में हो जाओगे वापस. अभी तो तुमको सब कुछ बुरा लग रहा है, घर वाले बुरे लग रहे हैं, पापा बुरे लग रहे हैं, भगवान पे गुस्सा आ रहा है. But when you will wake up in the morning, you will be okay because you will forget all of this. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. मैंने तुम्हारे पापा को explain किया कि उसको मत मारो, कि उसने क्यों फाड़ा तुम्हारी जो speech है. She wanted to make a gift for you. She wanted to make a surprise for you. But her father was too upset. But उसके father बहुत गुस्सा थे and उन्हें कुछ नहीं सुना. But the child never forgot. But the child, as me, child here, who's the child here? Kezia. But the child, Kezia, she never forgot. But उसको कभी नहीं भूला कि उसको पापा ने स्केल से मारा था. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back. So whenever next time she saw her father, what did Kezia do? Whenever next time, जब भी उसको next time उसके पापा मिलते थे, दिखते थे, तो automatically वो अपने हाथ पीछे छुपा लेती थी कि पापा कहीं वापस से मुझे स्केल ना मार दे. उसको जैसे ही वो पापा को देखती थी, उसको वापस वो इंसिडेंट याद आ जाता था when she was beaten by a scale by her father. So immediately she used to hide her hands because she was afraid that she might be beaten again. Okay, and a red color flew into her cheeks, और पूरे उसके cheeks लाल हो जाते थे कि डर से और गुस्से से कि कहीं फिर से उसकी पिटाई ना हो जाए. So Kezia remembers this incident very clearly. Kezia को कभी नहीं भूला ये इंसिडेंट, उसको हमेशा याद रहा क्योंकि उसकी पिटाई हुई थी, क्योंकि father had scolded her और वो बहुत ज्यादा उन्होंने उस पर गुस्सा किया था. तो Kezia को ये चीज हमेशा याद रही. So we will continue with the chapter in the next lesson. For today's assignment, you have to complete these two questions. The first one is, what was Kezia preparing for her father's birthday? What was she preparing for her father's birthday? And the second one is, why do you think father was upset with Kezia? Kezia के father अब उससे गुस्सा क्यों हुए? आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि वो उससे गुस्सा क्यों हुए? Okay, so you have to complete this assignment and submit it to me on Scholars ERP. Okay, so if you submit the assignment, you know you will be the star students. You will be in the list of star students next time. And I want all of you to be in the list. Okay, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सब लोग उस list में आओ because that shows your hard work. उससे पता चलता है कि आप घर पे बैठे हो लेकिन फिर भी आप मेहनत कर रहे हो. Even if you're not coming to school, you're working hard. It shows that. Okay. When I'm working hard, when I'm making lectures for you, I want you to work hard as well. मैं चाहती हूँ आप भी मेहनत करो. मैं मेहनत कर रही हूँ तो आप भी मेहनत करो. Right? So I want all of you to submit your assignments on Scholars ERP. And that's all for today's lecture. And thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.